everyone, welcome to Kids Art. If you want to learn more drawing skills, please subscribe our channel, Kids Art, your first art class. In this tutorial, you're gonna learn how to draw the princess. We're gonna start from her hair. It's kind of like the love heart shape. From the middle of the hair, we do two curved lines drawing the triangle as the fringe. Then we do the big curved line and connect by the two curvy triangle shape. Same as another side. Try to make your left and the right side as the same size. She has the crown on her head with the diamond. The main shape of the crown, which is based on the three triangle, please with the curved line drawing it. In the middle, we draw a circle, then doing the three curved lines as the pattern. Then we use the two short lines connect the diamond and the middle flower. Then we're gonna draw the hair on her face. Really cute baby face, so we use a big curved line drawing it. Her eyes is really big, so we draw in the big oval shape. Trying to make your left eye and the right eye as the same size. Then we're gonna draw the oval in the middle as her eyeball. In the middle of this oval, we're gonna draw the black oval and leave the white as the highlight. So the main shape is like the oval shape as well. Her nose is by the short curved line. After that, we're gonna draw the smile mouth. Well done, guys. Let's add the eyelashes on her eyes. Her eyebrow crossing the hair. Her collar, it's like the flower. It has the three petals. Then we draw the body by the two curved lines. In the middle of the body, we're gonna draw the flower with the curved petal. She has two earrings. The shape is like the pattern on her dress. Start from the circle, then use the curved line drawing the petal. After that, we're gonna draw the ear. Then we're drawing her hand. We're drawing the main shape of her hand first, then drawing the fingers. We can mark the finger by the straight line first, then finish it. Then we draw the arm by the two straight lines. The shoulder is by the curved line, same as another side. There is a big circle around her. You can find any circle shape, trace it, such like the plate or something else. Then we finish the hairs. And all the lines are the curvy lines. Let's start coloring now. First color, we're gonna use the skin color, coloring her face. Trying to cover all the white gap. Take your time, slow down. If you don't have the skin color, you can use the light pink or peach. is the skin color, also the arm. The second color is the orange, coloring the background. If you have any color you like used for the background, you can choose it. We're going to use the brown coloring her hairs. You can use your medium brown, light brown, darker brown, they're all good. If you're afraid of drawing outside of the shape, you can outline first, then coloring in the middle. That's going to be easier. Well done, guys. Then we're gonna use the yellow coloring her dress. You can choose the lime yellow, primary yellow, any type of the yellow, that would be great. We're gonna use the deep yellow coloring the chrome. Then we're gonna use the turquoise coloring the flower's middle. Turquoise is the color between blue and the green. So you can use the green or the blue instead of it. The diamond, it's the red color, or you have your favorite diamond color, you can use it. We use the red drawing the lips. Don't forget, we still have the two ear, which is the skin color. Let's coloring now. The last color is the light blue. Let's coloring her eye. Well done, guys. Thanks for your hard work. If you like to learn more drawing, please push the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.